In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add deals in Pipedrive. We'll walk through this process from the very beginning so that, by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new deal and make sure it's connected to the right person or organization in your pipeline. First, look at the left-hand sidebar in your Pipedrive account. This is where you'll see the main navigation icons for things like your activities, contacts, and of course, your deals. Go ahead and click the Deals icon. This opens up your pipeline view, where you can see all of your existing deals organized by stage. If you're using Pipedrive for the first time, your board might look fairly empty, and that's completely fine. We're about to change that. Now that you're in the Deals section, look towards the top of the screen for a green button that says Plus Deal. This is your starting point for creating anything new in your pipeline. Click the Plus Deal button, and a new deal creation window or panel will appear on your screen. In this window, you'll be able to define the basic details of your deal. One of the most important fields here is the contact person or organization. This is how Pipedrive connects the deal to the right people in your database. Start typing the name of the person you want to link to this deal. If they're already in your contacts, Pipedrive will suggest them, and you can simply select the correct one. If they don't exist yet, you can usually add them on the spot, which saves you from having to jump to a different screen. If your deal is tied more to a company than to an individual, you can choose an organization instead. Again, type the organization's name, select it from the suggestions, or create a new one if needed. Making sure this is accurate will help you later when you're filtering, reporting, or reviewing all deals related to a particular client. After you've chosen the appropriate contact person or organization, take a quick moment to double-check that everything looks correct. When you're happy with the information you've entered, click the Save button. This will create your new deal and place it directly into your pipeline. Once it's saved, you'll be able to move this deal through different stages, add notes or activities, and track its progress over time. And that's all there is to it. Click Deals, hit the green Plus Deal button, connect it to the right contact or organization, and save.